Hi everyone, I hope everyone is fine. Today I am going to explain you very important questions. Okay, that is from chapter number 1, real numbers. If x square plus y square is equal to 10xy, then prove that 2 log x plus y is equal to log x plus log y plus 2 log 2 plus log 3. Okay, this is the given condition. We need to prove this one. First let me write the given condition. That is given x square plus y square is equal to 10xy. As you can see here, to prove this one we need even log here. So before going to the applying log, first let me add here 2xy on both the side. Okay, add 2xy on both side. Why we are adding 2xy on both the side? Because to balance the equation LHS and RHS. So x square plus y square plus 2xy is equal to 10xy plus 2xy. Then this is in the form of identity, that is x plus y whole square. So I can write here x plus y whole square instead of x square plus y square plus 2xy. And these are the like terms. Why they are like terms? Because same variable and same power, so we can add them. 10 plus 2 is 12xy. So finally you will get the idea, sir, how you got the idea to add 2xy. If you did not add 2xy, you cannot convert this LHS side in the form of x plus y. As you can see here, it is x plus y, right? So if you want to get x plus y whole square, you need to add here x plus y. Sometimes they will give you minus here, that time you need to subtract minus 2xy on both the sides. We will see. Now after this, if you observe here, x plus y, besides that you are having logarithms. By seeing the question you should get idea that apply log on both the sides. So log x plus y whole square is equal to log 12xy. As already I said you that whatever you are adding or subtracting, you should add both the side to balance the equation. Then from here, as you can see that I am using logarithm formula to get 2 log x plus y is equal to log 12 plus log x plus log y. Okay, then you will say, sir, which logarithm formula? I have used this one. I am writing this side, that is log x power m is equal to m into log x. This power, it's coming to this side. Okay, remaining everything you should write like this. Then coming to the next one, the formula which I have used here, log xy is equal to log x plus log y. Clear everyone? So after that, 2 log x plus y I have written as it is, and this log 12 I can write as 4 into 3 plus log x plus log y. Now if you observe the question, 2 log x plus y, we got it as it is. Here log x log y is there, we got log x log y also, but here 2 log 2 plus log 3 is there, still we did not get. So what I am doing here, I am writing the LHS as it is, x plus y. Then this 4 I am writing as log 4 plus log 3 plus log x plus log y. So what I did, log 4 into 3 I have written as log x plus log 3 by using the formula log x into y is equal to log x plus log y. Now finally this log 4 again I can write as log 2 square, that is equal to log 3 plus log x plus log y. Now this is the final step. The coming step will be the final. This log x power m I can write as m log x, that is 2 log 2 plus log 3 plus log x plus log y. Okay, same log 3 log x log y. Now how to write that? What they are saying? First they are saying us to write the x, y, then 2 log 2, then log 3. So as per that, first we will change the order. We will write log x log y, then what is there? 2 log 2, which we have got it here, 2 log 2. At last we need to write log 3. Then this LHS side you copy as it is, 2 log x plus y, and this one is 2 log x plus y and last step also you have done 2 log x plus 1. Okay, I hope you have understand. So please share our video. Thank you.